Good day everyone. So this is our business proposal, Smart Secure Charging Window. So this slide explains the overall idea of project. The Smart Secure Charging Window is a machine where users can charge their phones safely in public places. So it uses coins and PIN or PIN system to protect devices. So it is designed to solve common problems like lack of charging stations and phone theft. These slides shows the problems the project wants to solve. So first, many public places don't have enough charging stations. So the second, phones can be stolen while charging. So third, users have to wait or stay near devices. So the last one is there are no secure charging options available. So next slide. So it explains how your project solves the problem. So first, a secure box keeps the phone safe. So second, a 4-digit PIN or PIN protects the user's device. So third is multiple ports allow several users at once. So fifth is coin-operated system, makes it easy to use. So the last one is Arduino controls the system for automation. So this slide highlights the skills of the team. So first is knowledge in electronics and circuit design. The second is experience in Arduino programming. The third is ability to assemble the system. The last one is strong problem solving and innovation skills. So this slide shows how long the project will take. So first, planning. So 2 weeks. And second is design. So 2 weeks. So the third is development, 4 weeks. The fourth, finalization, 2 weeks. And the final, the last one is testing, so 2 weeks. So this slide explains the financial details. So first is estimated cost to build is around 5,000 pesos. So the second is charging fee per use is around 5 to 10 pesos. So the last one is expected return of investment is in 2 to 3 months. So it shows that the project is affordable and profitable. So these slides list the roles of using the machine. So first is PIN or PIN can only be used once. So the second is users must follow proper usage. The third is owner is not responsible for forgotten PIN or PIN. So the last one is machine will undergo regular maintenance. Thank you.